good morning. Yeah, it's big day here, Flapjackandbeans. We're getting through this winter gradually, aren't we, bit by bit. But I'm off to meet the lads today in the car section, so I don't know what we're going to get up to. I'm 14 weeks post-hip operation, so that's been pretty painful and good, but I'm getting over it now, I'm walking. And the new bike's due 1st of March, or March-ish, KTM 1390 EVO. I'm just hoping that it is what it is. So there's a lot of extras coming with it, bits and pieces, so watch this space. Will be KTM 1390 Mighty Oranges. Moe's having one too, Major Moe's got one on order. Tossasaur unfortunately can't agree a deal at the moment, so I don't know what he's going to do at the end, and he's even looking at the BMW range again, bless him. So we'll see how it goes anyway. Catch you later.